Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services and welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity. We call it commonly IPEF, something important for examination. It is there in limelight. We'll see the details, why it is there in news and what is the relevance from both prelims and mains examination perspective. So let's get started. So why it is in news? So India has signed an agreement with United States and 12 other members to join IPEF, that is Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity. So this is in news. There can be a question whether when India has actually joined the IPEF. So you have to accordingly see the timeline. The agreement aims to cut the dependence of China. We are mostly dependent on China in terms of manufacturing and for many other sectors. And this will be a shift for manufacturing and crucial goods that actually member countries do in terms of import and export. So this will have an undue advantage for India, specifically semiconductor के sector में भी काफी ज़्यादा help होगी. I'll conclude that in a while. Now, what is IBEF? इसके बारे में कुछ बेसिक्स आपको जानने की ज़रूरत है. This can be relevant for prelims examination, specifically अगर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस में बात करें, सवाल पूछे जा सकते हैं. इट इज़ एन इकोनॉमिक फ्रेमवर्क दैट वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. यूएस ने इसे प्रपोज किया था इन 2022 एंड दिस वाज देयर इन जापान. तो द प्लेस एंड वेन्यू बिकम इम्पोर्टेंट और इससे एक अल्टरनेटिव माना जा रहा है रीजनल कॉपरेशन फॉर इकोनॉमिक पार्टनरशिप की, राइट? There are 14 partners. The name of the members is important. I'll read one by one. First, we have Australia, then Brunei, Fiji. India is again the member, which has recently joined the part. Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and United States. Although it was actually conceptualized by United States in 2022 in basically Japan. Now, the purpose of IBEF is to promote economic cooperation. Economic cooperation के अलावे ट्रेड और इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी इस कंट्रीज को पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिलता है, स्पेसिफिकली इन द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन. सी, अगर इंडो पैसिफिक की अगर बात करें, इंडिया हैज ऑलवेज बीन एन एक्टिव एंड वोकल पार्ट वेर एवर द इंडो पैसिफिक हैज बीन देयर. चाहे वो क्वाड की बात हो, ऑकस की बात हो और इस तरह के कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीलेटरल फोरम्स हो, इंडिया हैज बीन सीकिंग एन एक्टिव रोल. Now this account for 40%, अगर IBF की बात करें, 40% of the world GDP and 28% of world trade and goods and services. So this is a factual information, a further point relevant for the mains examination also. Now क्या aim है IBF की? So it aims to strengthen the economic partnership in terms of enhancing the resilience. The first one. The second is the sustainability, inclusiveness, economic growth, fairness and competitiveness in the Indo-Pacific region. Now pillars की अगर बात करें, ये 4 फ्रंट पे इनकी pillars हैं where they are actually working. The first is trade. The trade is actually being devised out among the member country. जो भी member countries हैं IBF के, वो उनके साथ trade में बढ़ोतरी करेंगे. The supply chain will actually be benefited all the member country. It called for clean economy. By clean economy, I mean the sustainable economy, the economical measure which is environmental friendly. And last but not the least, it has a fair economy. That issues like taxation and anti-corruption, even the double tax avoidance rules, these are the parts which are actually implemented as a part of important pillars among them. तो ये 4 pillars हैं जो आपको ध्यान में होने चाहिए और चारों पिलर आप एग्जाम में जरूर मेंशन करें. And what is the significance for India? Why India has joined? You need to know what was the intention that India has looked forward with the part of joining. So IPEF की अगर बात करें, it offer India a large opportunity. किस तरह की opportunity? Specifically टेक्नोलॉजी के सेक्टर में. If you look at the tech sector, apart from tech, कुछ other areas की अगर बात करें, like semiconductor. Semiconductor is the one area where actually India is looking for. उसके साथ साथ supply chain में इंडिया की अपनी logistic policy भी है, national logistic policy that will also work. And apart from this, we have clean energy. तो ये कुछ ऐसे sectors हैं जहाँ पे इंडिया को help मिलेगी. And India can be a destination for new investments such as semiconductor sector, which is considered to be a booming sector in the coming decade. So ये कुछ important significance होंगे इंडिया के joining के. IPEF is again important both for prelims and mains. आपको ये basics पता होने चाहिए. This was all about for the IPEF. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important topic relevant for the examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stay connected.